Hello viewers, this is IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to make Windows 11 computer taskbar transparent. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To make Windows 11 transparent, click on Start menu. In search, type Store. Now click on Microsoft Store app. In the Store app search, type translucent TV. Type translucent TV. This is the translucent TV. Now click on Get and starting download. Download has been started. It will take a little time. Downloading finished. Now click on Open. Now click on Continue. Close Microsoft Store. And look, the taskbar is transparent right now. Click on Show Hidden Icons. Here you will find translucent TV icon. Click on it. And you will find some excellent option here. And you will find some excellent option here. Click on desktop and click on accent color. You can change the accent color here. You can increase or decrease transparency from here. And or you can change color from here. Close translucent TV and click on OK. Yes. Now, if you want to go back again to fully transparent, click here, click to translucent TV and click on desktop and click on normal. This is the normal taskbar. If you want to change again, just go to desktop and click on acrylic, and this is the transparent taskbar. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.